Hi, welcome back to another tutorial on the Campedia app. And today we're going to be looking at trips and in particular the trip itinerary. So if I've clicked on trips, I'm going to select the Harvey Bay to Upper Stony Creek trip, for example, and then we're going to click on the trip itinerary button. From here, you can see across the top here, we've got day 1, day 2, day 3. So if I click on day 3, just an example, we've got our 3 locations. Now, if I click and hold on one of those locations and drag it up and put it at the top and re-drop it, you'll see there now the kilometers between each location has changed, and the order in which you would navigate, or if you hit that and the start navigate button, would then throw it out into a different order through to Google Maps. So I'll just actually put that back. The other thing that we have here is at the bottom of the screen, where you're making your notes, you can actually paste in a YouTube URL and the YouTube video will display there. So if you've watched the YouTube video about a location and you're wanting to go and check it out, so you can remember what that location was or what that video was, it's a way to paste that in there. Okay, so the other thing I'll just quickly touch on, if we just jump out of there and go back to our main page here, you can actually invite guests as well. If I click on guests, you can copy in or put your friend's email address in there and they will get an email invite to view this trip, where they'll be able to view it or add notes, but they won't be able to change anything about your trip. So guys, hope you enjoy this. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already, and see you in the next video.